Hey guys, this is SDK Development here, and in this iPhone SDK tutorial, I will be teaching you how to use UISwitch in your iPhone application. It's really simple. Open up Xcode, create new Xcode project, view-based application, choose, and I'll call it UISwitch, like that. I'll extend the Xcode. And now go to UISwitch viewcontroller.h and create two IB outlets. IB outlet. First IB outlet is for the UISwitch and the second one is for UI label. UISwitch. Now call it UISW. Like that. And another IB outlet, UI label. And I'll call it label. Now I'll create one IBAction and I'll call it change. IBAction change. Okay. Now go to UISwitch viewcontroller.m, create the same IBAction. IBAction switch. Okay. Now I'll create the if statement. If UISW, our switch dot on label dot text, label will say on. Okay. Now else, type else label dot text off. Now scroll down, find the view did load, make it and type in one line of code. Label dot text on. It means that when the app gets loaded, the label will say on, because by default switch is always on. So basically what these two lines of code do is oh, I forgot, like that. Basically these lines of code do? It means if the switch is on, the label will say text on, and else it means else is if your switch is off, label.text will say off. As simple as that. And this just means when view gets loaded, label.text will say on. Now build, just build, don't build and run. We're not done yet. Okay, 2 warnings, that's incomplete. Implementation change. Wait. Oh, that's the wrong IBAction. I didn't call it switch. It's supposed to be called change. Change. Okay. Now go to the go to the interface builder and open up library and inspector. I'll change the color of the background to black, and I'll add one UI label, and I'll change its size to 36. Yes. Put it here. Now I'll drag one UI switch, drag another UI label that will say UI switch. Okay, and as you see here, you can change its state by the default. In our case it will be on, but you can also change it to off. like that. Okay, now click Files Owner and connect the outlets. Label to UI label and UISwitch to UISwitch, and at the IBAction change, drag this IBAction to the UISwitch and pick value changed. So we're almost done. Now let's build and run. Save all. Let's see, it says on, then off, on, off, on, off. As simple as that. You can change the UI image the same way. You just have to change one line of code. Like you see here, label.text is on. In your case, if you are want to change the UI image, just say your image dot image, and it should say UI image named, and the name of your image. As simple as that. Remember to add the image to the resources folder. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.